I can move further, but sun is there, and I should care about like uh, like sun gives vitamin D, but excess of everything is bad. So, so that's why I think the I should stay here and do what I wanted to do. Do what I'm doing right now. Do what you guys are looking. I notice now people look at me. Like sometimes some views happens. What I upload recently, it also got some views. Few people watch. They are not few if they are if 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 a figure cross from 0 to 1, 2, 3 or 8 or 16, then definitely they are more than 0. So 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 technically I can't say it few. 16 views or 8 views are views, I should count them. A butterfly was very near me, and then she goes there. I feel like I should sit, and I sat down. Two birds are going. I mean, what I will tell you what is around me. So I'm telling. Yes, it's not that like has so much energy. It's not, but I can show it. I will definitely show it sometime at some point. I mean, I should try it to show it now. It can happen. Like, okay, let's try it. Let's try it. A butterfly is coming. No, it's going. Yeah, technically, but another butterfly came near me, and then it's gone. This one is different. This one is other. That one was different. I mean, when I was talking, I noticed three butterflies. One was there, one was here, and one was here. A crow. A crow is making voices and going. Butterfly. Yes, these these are around me, and this is good thing for me. Okay, 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 okay. I should introduce myself in that way, but I won't tell you my my identity name. I will tell you something other than this. Hey guys, this is me. I do vlogs. I do vlogs. I do vlogs to go viral, to make myself known among the people. And I have other purpose behind this too. And that is money which matters. If do you want to know something else about me, you can definitely ask in the comment section. I am open to tell about myself. Maybe I won't tell my accurate name, but there was a butterfly that came here and then gone there. I hope you noticed it. Sorry. Okay, introduction section is closed. We will move to other topic, any another topic. This is my niche. I don't do vlogs. I mean, I'm not doing it scripted. I do things while it is happening. This is how I do it, and I'm thinking of doing the same in the future, whether it goes viral, whether it goes not viral. But I should change strategy because I'm putting my effort, and if it not goes viral, then I should change my strategy. I should do it scripted, as people do, and they goes viral. Maybe I will do it in the future. I will change my strategy, but for now I'm not going to do the scripted vlogs. Sorry. That was comes from inside. That comes inside. Sorry. Guys, when I look around me, there are common things around me. I'm not bored of them. Definitely, they are very interesting topic for me. Topic for me. Whether you take it interested or not, because you have your own preferences, preferences. Because you have your own interest, and some of you guys meet with my interest. Some of you guys didn't match with my interest. So it happens, and I'm okay with that. I know these concepts. It's fine. And I hope my vlogs reaches to that people who find it interesting. I am going for now. Bye bye.